As I have told you in my previous video that in next video we will learn about how can we draw the table in I think so in it will take at least 3 minutes if you can understand. First of all, it's very necessary you have to memorize the values of sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90 and similarly cos and tan values. But unfortunately, if somehow you have forgotten how can you find the sine 60 value or cos 30 value, it will take only 2 minutes to draw this table, right? What I will do, you have to write 0 1 2 3 4 up till 4. You will write the numbers, right? After writing them, here I stop here on the number 4. Next step is that we will divide all these numbers by 4, right? 0 1 2 3 4, and then you will divide all of these numbers by 4. After dividing, next step is that you have to take under root of each and every value, right? 1 by 4 under root, 2 by 4 will give you 1 by 2 after cutting, 1 by 2 under root, 3 by 4 under root, and 4 and 4 will cancel each other, they will give you 1 under root, and 0 by 4 it will give you 0, so we will take the under root. First of all, you will write the number 0 1 2 3 4. Next step is that you have to divide all of them by 4, right? And third step is that you have to take the square root of each and every value. After taking the square root, you have to simplify them. 0 under root is 0, 1 by 4 under root is 1 by 2, 1 under root is 1, and 2 under root is 2 under root 3, and you have to separate the numerator and denominator. Under root 3 and 4 under root will give you 2, and 1 under root will give you 1. So these are the 3 or 4 steps. You have to memorize them. You have to remember that it's so simple. Just you have to write number 0 1 2 3 4. Next step, you have to divide each and every number by 4. Third step is that you have to take the square root of each value. You have done this. Next step is that you have to draw a table like that. Here you will write sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Tan theta meaning sine theta divided by cos theta. And in next step, what you will do, you will write the values of degree. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You have to remember, you have to write in this pattern, 30, then 45, 60 and 90 degree. No, whatever you values you have got, you have to write these values here. You will write first number 0 here, 1 by 2 here, 1 by under 2 here, under 3 by 2 here, and 1 number here. And in the next step, what we will do, the number which is top here, the last number here, we will make it the first number here, right? Or you can say you will write in the, it is in ascending, where it is finished, we will write it in the opposite way. 1 will first, and the second place will be under 3 by 2, right? And third place will be 1 by under 2, which is the middle number, and fourth place will be second number will be here, and the first number will be here, last number. Just changing the pattern. Make the first number as the second number, last number as the first number, and second last as the second number, middle as the middle, second as the second last, and first as the last number. Just change their values, positions. After that, what we will do, sine tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. So 0 by 1 answer will be 0, right? 1 by under 3 here answer will be 2, will cancel 2. 1 by 2 under 2 divided by 1 and by under 2, it will give you 1. Under 3 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 will cancel each other, its answer will be 3. 1 by 0, its answer is infinity or undefined number. So this is the way we will draw the table, and if you will easily calculate, you have to remember these values, or it will take only 2 minutes. In the exam, if you will forget the value, you will just draw the table, and these values, first of all, you have to memorize them. And this is the second way how can we find the values, how can we make the table. And these are the values of sine theta. So sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degrees 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees 1 by 2, sine 60 degrees under 3 by 2, sine 90 degrees 1, right? And cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is under 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees 1 by 2, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree will be 0. And tan theta, obviously you can calculate, you know that these two values, you can easily divide them and you will find the value for tan 0 0, tan 30 and 1 by 3, tan 45 degree 1, tan 60 degree under 3, and 1 by 0 tan 90 will give you infinity, or the number which is divided by 0, it is undefined number, right? So this is the value of 90 degree. These are the basic values. We have to memorize them, and the next values, they will repeat each other. For example, if you have to find the values of 120 degree, you know 30 degree is a multiple of 120. If you will multiply 30 by 4, you will get the values of 120 degree. But in 120 degree, what will be happen, it will goes in the second quadrant. So because it goes in the second quadrant, in second quadrant the values of x is negative, so the sine 120 degree value will go to negative value, right? So this table will repeat itself, but it depends on the quadrant. In these are values, they will be in our first quadrant, right, where the values are in between 0 and 90 degree. But all these values which I have shown you, these are the values in first quadrant. But if you have to find the value of, for example, 150 degree, then 150 degree will goes in the here second quadrant. So in second quadrant, what will happen, x will change its signs, it will be negative axis, it will be positive axis, y axis will be positive here, and y axis will be negative here. But if you have to find the value of, for example, 210 degree, or some multiple of 60 is, for example, if I will write here, it is a multiple of 3, right? 60 is multiplied by 3, so it will be 180 degree here. So values will repeat itself. You have to memorize these values, and other values will change the sign in next classes, and in next topics you will discuss, and you can easily understand what's going on. At your level, you have to memorize this table, and it's very, very, very important. You have to know the values of all these things.